Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan. If you didn't know, now you know, and today it's Mystery Nail Art Season 2. What is this, like the second, third episode? I can't remember, but we'll know by the title. Remember how we're doing it this season? We're pulling 2 polishes off of a spreadsheet with a random number generator. Let's get to that. Okay, so here is our number generator. Let's pull some numbers. We've got 225 and 23. Let's see. 225, Mighty Aphrodite. It's a purple stamping polish. I guess we're doing stamps today. And number 23, Good Luck's Charm from China Glaze. It is a blue shimmer. Ooh, it's probably going to be hard to see these stamps on top of that because if I am correct, I believe this stamping polish might be metallic. Let me go gather those supplies. Okay, so here are those 2 colors. At least they're complementary. They do look nice together. Mighty Aphrodite and Good Luck's Charm. So we're going to use this one to put in a base color. And then we're stamping with this guy. Now this is a bit of a sheer, so we're probably gonna have to go in with multiple coats. And this is my non-dominant hand, so pardon my painting skills. It is much harder to paint with your non-dominant hand than your good hand. Okay, we'll let that dry, then we'll do number 2. Second coat. Alright, I think we're gonna need a third. Okay, so I've ended up with 4 coats, and I think what we have now is the best we're gonna get, and if I just keep adding them, it's gonna get thicker and thicker and thicker and take forever to dry. So I am going to have to actually take a little break because there's so much polish here. It is gonna take some time to dry. But I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to come back after it is dry and top coated in. Okay, so it's been a little while, and these are dry enough to work on now. So I got this stamping plate out. We're going to go for the checkerboard pattern, and I am going to use these scraper and stampers. They are from Manology, and they're in fact new. I just got them for the season. Tell you what, Manology stampers are top notch, but this is the real one. The no smudge top coat, if you're doing stamping or small detail nail art with nail polish, you have to have a smudge-free top coat to prevent ruining your designs. Regular top coat is going to melt them and smear them. And this is the top notch one of the industry. There's not a lot of choices, but this is the best one. If you get nothing else from Manology, get this. And I also have a discount code for them if you want that too. It is in the description. So we're gonna start with this one, and we've got our polish here. I'm gonna get you some polish, and you put it on here. And then you take your scraper, and you just kind of gently drag it down. It's okay if it goes to the other parts. That's not gonna hurt anything. And then to pick it up, you want to gently kind of roll it back the opposite direction of your scraping. And there you have it. So we're going to take this one and we're going to place it on this guy. Now, you can look down through these stampers, which is one of my favorite things about these size and shape. It's hollow back here, so you can see right. And then you just line it up and press it down. Make sure it goes down on both sides all the way. And then you pick it back up. Then you can push these down, and we'll do a little cleanup work after. And then to clean this up, you want to use a lint roller. So you just roll it across there, and it picks up that stamping polish. Don't use acetone on this. You'll mess it up. And then to clean this off, you have this cotton ball grabber and a cotton ball. You dip it in a little acetone, and you can clean this up without messing up your fresh nail art. And for our middle 2, we're going to move on to this next larger size of checkers. And then last for the thumb, we're going to use the biggest checker. And then you use your same little cotton ball to clean up your scraper. Don't leave your nail plates dirty. It's disgusting. And you can clean the back too. So you can either use liquid latex to go around your fingernails before you stamp so that you can peel it off, or you can, after the fact, just go in with a cleanup brush and wipe it off, which I decided to do that method this time since we weren't going to have an incredible amount of overhang. If this were a bigger design and there was going to be a lot that fell off, I would have done the latex. And if you do it over a napkin, then the parts that drip off your fingers will just go onto the paper towel and you won't have to make a mess. So that's them. What do you think? Do you like the pattern? I like that you can actually kind of see the difference. I was afraid they were going to be a little bit too similar, but this is pretty cute. Got this one a little wrinkled up because it's still soft on the inside, and apparently I've touched it against something, I don't know what. Let's go in with our top coat and get this sealed. Now remember, smudge-free top coat is not a final top coat. You can't just finish with this because this is not going to dry down like a quick dry top coat. You still have to put a regular top coat on this once it dries. The only purpose of this is to protect your art. It puts a barrier between your top coat and your art so that it doesn't ruin it. That's it. So we'll let this dry and then I'll be back. Alright, last but not least, China Glaze, fast forward, quick drying top coat. Alright, and that's it. So these will take a few minutes to dry and then they will be good to go. You do want to be careful with your regular nail polish nails for the first 24 hours because while they may be dry to the touch, that doesn't mean they're dry all the way through, and they still can get damaged with dents and scrapes and things like that. These look like thick boys, it's because they are. They are thick. There's a bunch of layers of polish on here, but then also they were on top of some already pretty thick dip nails, so they will thin as they dry. As nail polish does, it does shrink, and so by the time it is fully dry, it won't look quite so thick. But again, that can take a good amount of time. You want to be protective of your nails. I am going to get you some photos outside. You should be seeing those now. It is a rare occasion when the nails that I do match, especially across the whole hand. So this is a pretty rare occurrence here, and they are a little bit different because I did use different size checkers, but ultimately you can't tell that at first glance anyway. And so I've got one matching hand. How unusual. Anyway, let me know what you think of this month's mystery nail art. Do you like the colors that I got? Do you like how I chose to use them, and what would you have done differently? But that's it. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you for being subscribed, for being here, for watching all the way till the end, helping me with my watch time. Thank you for your comments. I do love hearing from you and interacting with you, and definitely do hit that like button if you liked my video. It helps the algorithm, which helps me, and I appreciate that. Do check out my links below for any discount codes or affiliate links if you want to support me that way. I appreciate that as well. And make sure you're following me on my socials. Sometimes things happen over there that don't happen over here, and you want to be there for it. But that's it. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video.